Welcome to 54 Dennis Drive, a wonderful family home with superb curb appeal and situated within the Pickering Village neighbourhood of Ajax. Perennials accentuate the curvature of stone steps to a covered arched entry, and the front door of this two-story brick home opens into a main level showcasing beautiful and spacious principal rooms. Off the ceramic-tiled reception hall is a naturally bright living room with hardwood flooring, a south-facing bay window with arched transoms, and the warming touch of a gas fireplace. Hardwood floors also flow throughout the main hallway and into an elegant formal dining room with a double French door entry. The contemporary ceiling fixture is accented with a medallion, and a custom window treatment graces the oversized bay window that offers views of the backyard oasis and allows for soft, natural lighting. Another double door entry opens to the incredibly spacious and functional kitchen area. Finished with a ceramic tiled floor and backsplash, this work and family space features a tray ceiling with pot lighting, stainless steel double sink and appliances, granite countertops, as well as accent tiles below the raised breakfast bar. The breakfast area has a walkout onto a raised deck overlooking the backyard, and completing the contemporary design and feel of the kitchen is its deep-colored cabinetry, which has abundant storage, including a separate wall pantry. Gorgeous oak hardwood stairs and railings lead to the mid and upper levels. And the mid-level is a huge family room that is open to the upper level and which features hardwood floors, a walkout onto a covered balcony overlooking the street, and a gas fireplace for cozy warmth. Its south-facing exposure allows for abundant natural lighting, while a vaulted cathedral ceiling enhances this room's spaciousness. The upper level has hardwood flooring throughout the hallway and in all 4 bedrooms, while both washrooms are finished with ceramic tiled floors. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms are quite spacious, with the fourth bedroom featuring a double-sized closet. The third bedroom has 2 double closets, and the second bedroom comes with a double closet. And in addition, both the second and third bedrooms have ceiling fans and backyard views. The common area is complete with a 5-piece washroom featuring a water closet, a ceramic tiled bath area, and a stone-top vanity with double undermount basins, as well as a linen closet conveniently placed right outside its entry door. The generously sized master bedroom has a beautiful southern exposure, with both a bay window and an accent window allowing natural light to flood into the room. Featuring a double door entry, a ceiling fan, and a walk-in closet, this bright retreat also showcases a 5-piece ensuite washroom with a water closet, a tiled glass shower, a jetted tub, and a stone-top vanity with his and her undermount basins. The main level also features a powder room, 2 double coat closets with mirrored doors, and a laundry room with cabinetry and closet storage, washer and dryer, as well as access to the garage. while California shutters can be found on most of the windows throughout the home. Off the laundry room is also a separate side door entry and a hardwood staircase to the lower level, which offers additional family and casual entertaining space, as well as plenty of storage. This level features ceramic tiled and engineered hardwood flooring, a 4-piece washroom, and a bedroom finished with broadloom, pot lighting, and a double closet. The recreation area has pot lighting throughout, a corner gas fireplace with tiled facade, a wet bar with ceramic and wood finishes, and a walkout to the backyard oasis. This outdoor retreat showcases a covered ground level deck with steps to the raised main level deck, an interlocking patio area with a hot tub, stone and perennial landscaping, as well as an in-ground pool surrounded by a concrete deck. Walking distance to Eagle Ridge Public and Pickering High Schools, this home is also close to Duffins Creek Conservation Area, places of worship, public transit, Pickering Village shops and services, as well as the Riverside Golf Course, and is just a short drive to the Durham Center Shopping Plaza and Pickering Town Center, the Ajax GO Station, as well as for access to Highway 401.